Hello, fellow pet lovers. How in the world are you? Today we're going to talk about raising puppies. I'm excited because today you're going to be able to listen in on a live training session with myself and one of my team members who provides puppy care for us during the day when I'm at work. I'd like to introduce you to Ovation and her 6 puppies.
They just automatically hone in and find something.
They can't see yet, right?
Eyes won't open until day 10 to 14. And so most people believe they find the nipples by their nose. They have very strong noses. And we now know that bitches release a pheromone from their mammary glands so that they can actually, number one, identify them, but it's calming. So it's calming. And the one thing, this is your first litter of puppies, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So their sounds are, to me, extremely interesting. Go up here. Can you get up to this one? Climb on top of your brothers and sisters? You want this one? There you go. Excellent. Sit on top of them. You'll find that consistently 1 or 2 of them always want the bottom, and 1 or 2 of them always want the top. And the big, strong, big bad brother, I call him, although it can be the big sister, will kind of get down, go across the bottom, bump off a puppy or 2, and then grab the one he wants. Siblings are interesting. I have a lot of philosophies about the sounds they make. I'll share them with you some other time. We've got to cover a couple other things here. Mm-hmm. What else was I going to say about this? Oh, listen to their sounds, because you'll get a feeling and a rhythm for their sounds.
Okay.
These little I call nursing flocking sounds. And I say flocking because although I just said and we just observed they all just kind of zoomed in automatically towards mom, occasionally one of them will get lost and start heading east, southwest, somewhere away from her. And I think those little flocking nursing sounds, they hear and they zone in on like radar. It kind of says, this is the rest of the litter, we're supposed to be over here, where are you?
Like looking out for each other.
Yeah. If it was, survival of the fittest, and I'm going to go down with the last drop of milk and put you guys in the toilet, so to speak, I don't think they'd be making all those sounds.
Yeah.
Like that little blue puppy right there that's nursing and getting something, he's the one that's making the most noise. Mm-hmm. That's a happy nursing sound. And if he were selfish and trying to throw everybody else under the train, I think he'd be quiet. Yeah.